In this episode, we're going to learn about playing games nicely. It's important to play nicely with others, but what does that look like? Throwing a toy is dangerous. Someone could get hurt. When we play together, it is safer and more fun. When you're outside playing, taking a ball without permission isn't nice. If we want to play, we need to wait our turn. That's being kind. Joining a game without asking to play isn't kind. However, when you ask to join a game, you are being kind. When we're playing and something doesn't go our way, we don't yell. Instead, we use our words and explain how we feel using kind words. Now that we have learned about playing nicely, let's see if you can see who is being kind. Are these boys playing nicely? What do you think? You're right, they are playing nicely. Are these girls playing nicely? What do you think? No, they aren't playing nicely. I hope you like this lesson on playing nicely. Don't forget to check out my channel for more lessons. Don't forget to like and subscribe to learn more.